Hello everyone, this is Anamami, founder of RT Advocacy and Reforms Through Youth from Pakistan. And so today I want to talk about something like super important, like supporting feminist change. So, it's not just a buzzword if we talk about the feminism and feminist, and it's particularly most of the people get very, anxious about like the word about the feminist. So it's like make sure that the woman should get the fair shake they deserve in the life. So, let's get one thing straight that feminism isn't about the woman like trying to up the men. It's about the fairness plans and simple. It's about knocking the barrier that hold the woman back and giving them the same chance or like anyone else. If we see the need that this change everywhere, like women still get the short end and they they get the work, they get the less pays, even fewer opportunities for the advancement, like as in the policies as well. Like there are certain circumstances where the women are lacking behind. So women are seriously underrepresented, like these opportunities, that there's not just the right. Plus, there are a lot of stuff happening around us in our communities, like violence, harassments, and much more. So, but there is like the thing that makes a difference. We can create the world where women can, like shine in every field. They could be establishing a lot of platforms, ruling the world. So, they just need a support. So, there are some of the things that I personally feel like a woman and I just observe in the community. So, number one, we know let's fight for the equal pays and opportunities at the work. Because, being a woman, even I go to the workplaces or anywhere, I feel a lot of hurdles. Even if I'm doing the same stuff as men, I'm still, facing the same challenges like every woman is facing right now. We must focus on the opportunities. If they are doing great, we must pay them the great. There should be no more gender pays like gaps is like the men are getting the higher pays, women are getting the lower. They should be look, everything should be crystal clear, equally right for everyone. So secondly, we need more women in charge. That is also the main important thing. Like if we pass everywhere in life, we think like we must support those women who want to be a mentor, who are a mentor, who are in the leadership domains or anywhere. So we must support them and put them in a leadership role. But why? Most of the people think why women should be in their supporting role. But the leadership quality is found in every person who is like capable of absorbing these qualities. It could be men, it could be men, women, but it could be also the transgender too. So it's a kind of built-in qualities, or it must be some to some extent. Most people try to learn them. Whether it's in the business, in the government level, any peers in the like city, we must help them to women to be on the on the leading role. There are tons of women who have showed the world that they could be in the leading role. So we must figure out, or we could like make the proper like women focused role on them too. So now let's like the break down the stereotypes about the like women like in the genders. So everyone like got something to bring on the table regardless of the gender. Like if you talk about the men's and like women like the pink color, men like the blue colors. They like we cannot go alone at night, and there are certain stereotypes. We need to break those stereotypes. We need to like put the women on the front page, like they are something. Even if we talk about the climate change, if we talk about the leadership qualities, like everywhere the world is changing, the women are changing. Those women, as we are getting education, we are in the field. Like I'm also an entrepreneur, I'm also a trainer, I'm also helping a lot of communities, like people working. I'm like helping everywhere. So there are a lot of people that you could be a role model for you, and you can become one of the role model as well. So, if I talk about the stories, like we must listen the stories of every woman, because women are like a rainbow. They have beautiful colors. They have different shades. Every shade is going to give you a beautiful stories as well. So it is not only the woman, but I'm also talking about the inclusive communities, the smaller communities, like the transgender as well. So we must listen to everyone. We must listen those stories. We must get inspired from them. We must because every voice matters. It includes everyone. So if we are even for on this perspective, I also talking about the man. I am like supporting feminism, like I'm supporting women, I'm supporting everyone, even they are transgender, even they are men, but men if they are right, and women also if they are right. So also like somewhere like there is one thing more, accountability. So everyone is accountable for the act that they are doing. I'm accountable for what I am doing, you're accountable for what you are doing. So you must think of this perspective, that what you are doing at this space. So we need certain laws, certain policies, and yet they are, but we to some extent don't know about these policies. So we have to think about it. Are we creating certain awareness? Are we doing something that people are listening to us? Are we doing like, are we are responsible? We need to teach. We need to like inspire others. We need to help others. If we see different kinds of women who are in, lacking from different opportunities, we must create opportunities for them. If you are educated, I'm educated. I'm accountable that am I helping the other women? Are they educated? Even a maid is in my home, she's uneducated. It's my responsibility to teach her children. Okay, I have these opportunities, I'm going to like spread it to the other person. So there are a lot of things that could be done. So we must protect everyone, women, every community, like transgenders, everyone. So let's get real on this. Like, support feminist change isn't about the right thing to do, it's like the smart thing to do. So it's about building world, and everyone has like fair and short regardless of the gender. So just roll up your sleeve, like bring the change in the world that you wish to see. So do something, everyone. I know there are going to be motivated people who are listening to me right now. Thank you so much, everyone, for listening me. Thank you, and have a good day. Allah Hafiz.